If you tried to search for the Downloader app today and realized it is completely missing from the Amazon App Store, you are not alone. It has officially been suspended, and many people are panicking thinking they can no longer sideload their favorite apps. But do not worry, because this is only a temporary glitch. You are watching TechVibes, and I am going to show you exactly why this happened and how you can still install any app you want right now. The developer of Downloader has confirmed that the app was suspended because of a simple technicality. A recent update caused the app to register itself as a web browser. Amazon has strict rules against third-party browsers, which triggered an automatic removal from the store. The good news is that if you already have it installed, it will keep working perfectly. Amazon has not removed it from your device, only from the store for new users. A fixed version has already been sent to Amazon for approval, so it should be back in a few days. While you wait, you must be careful. Fake apps with similar names are already popping up in the App Store trying to trick you. Some of these fakes even try to charge you a subscription fee. The real Downloader app has always been free and always will be. Do not download these clones. If you need to install apps today and do not have Downloader already, there is a very simple workaround using your Android phone. The fastest method right now is using an app called Apps to Fire. This tool lets you send installation files directly from your phone to your Firestick. It is actually much easier than typing long URLs with a remote. First, install Apps to Fire on your Android phone. Then, you can download the apps you need from a trusted site like 28907.net. This is the same source that many popular side-loading codes use. To make this work, you need to enable a specific setting on your console. Go to your settings and select My Fire TV. If you do not see developer options, click on the About section. Highlight your device name and press the select button 7 times. This will unlock the hidden menu. Now go into developer options and turn on ADB debugging. This allows your phone to communicate with your Fire Stick over your home network. Make sure your phone and Fire Stick are connected to the same Wi-Fi signal. If you are on a 2.4 GHz band, the transfer might be a bit slow, so use 5 GHz if possible. Open Apps to Fire on your phone, go to the Setup tab, and search for your Fire TV. Once you select it, accept the connection prompt on your television screen. Now you can simply select the app on your phone and hit Install. It will fly over the air and appear on your Fire Stick instantly. This suspension is just a small speed bump, and everything should be back to normal soon. If this quick workaround helped you stay connected today, hit that like button. Subscribe to TechVibes for the latest updates on your streaming hardware and secret tech shortcuts. Comment below if you need more help or want a guide for iPhone users. Thanks for watching.